Dropshipping versus Shopify for dropshipping, all in depth comparison. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we'll take a look at these platforms for dropshipping. We'll take a look at their features, prices, who is it suitable for. So at the end of this video, you'll know exactly which platform is the most suitable as for you. So let's start from our platform. So Dropship.io is a cloud-based platform that provides everything you need to start and run a dropshipping business. It includes a product catalog, order management system, and shipping integration. Shopify is an e-commerce platform that allows you to create an online store. It includes a website builder, payment processing, and shipping integration. And Dropship.io is designed for entrepreneurs who want to start a dropshipping business. It's easy to use and requires no technical experience. Shopify is designed for businesses of all sizes, from small businesses to large entrepreneurs. It is more powerful than Dropship.io, but also has a steeper learning curve. So basically, they have common features. Like Dropship.io offers the following features: product catalog with over 100,000 products, order management system, shipping integration, customer support. And Shopify offers the following one: website builder, payment processing, shipping integration, customer support, app store with over 6,000 apps. And competitive advantages are: Dropship.io's competitive advantages include easy to use, no technical experience required, low monthly fees, and Shopify's competitive advantages include more powerful than Dropship.io, more features, and app store with over 6,000 apps. Dropship.io offers three pricing plans: Starter, Pro, and Enterprise, and the same thing with Shopify: Basic, Shopify, and Advanced. You can find all the prices on their website directly. And the pros and cons: Dropship.io basically easy to use. You don't have to know some technical skills. Low monthly fee. Cons: limited features, smaller product catalog. On Shopify, it's more powerful. It has more features, and app store with over 6,000 apps. What about cons? Steeper learning curve, higher monthly fee. And in conclusion, we can say that Dropship.io is a good option for entrepreneurs who want to start a dropshipping business with a minimum investment. Shopify is a more powerful platform with more features, but it also has a steeper learning curve and higher monthly fee. And I think it will be better to combine them to make them work together. Ultimately, the best platform for you will depend on your individual needs and budget. So if you want to use them, find the links in the description. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe. Goodbye.